Number 4. The light glow in the dark underwater community as the jellyfish intertwine their body with the waves by showcasing its beauty while helping reduce waste, creating new and sustainable fashion. Jellyfish is known as an indicator species. They maintain balance in the underwater world. As a youth and a Filipino citizen, we can help maintain balance in our community, our nature and ecosystem by not promoting products that can harm our environment. In doing these procedures of this product, we lessen their production and we can make change by creating biodegradable products. Lastly, by recycling non-biodegradable materials into something new and reusable like bags, clothes, rugs, DIY shelves, and other things. Small steps at a time can make big impacts in the future. Materials used are bubble wraps, plastic bottles, shells, fabric, scraps, cellophane, cartoons, wires, papers, and biodegradable waste. Once again, contestant number 4, Bendosan Jinay.